Savory, digestive aid and nutrient-rich marvel. Introduction. Savory is a herb which is often overlooked and ignored in the realm of delicious food. Because of its spicy, smoky taste, it has earned its place in many culinary styles across the world. In addition to its flavor, it also has numerous advantages for health. It can aid digestion and is full of essential nutrients. This plant is an amazing discovery in the realm of herbal remedies as well as nutrient-rich food items. Digestive aid. One of the main advantages of savory is its capacity to assist digestion. The active ingredients that are found in savory foods like thymol and carvacrol have been proven to increase digestion enzymes within the body, thereby enhancing digestion of food and aiding in the efficient absorption of nutrients. Savory is a staple in Mediterranean dishes to ease the symptoms like bloating, indigestion, and gastric excess. It also acts as an appetite stimulant, which makes it a great option for people looking to improve the digestion of their food naturally. Antimicrobial properties. Savory is also known for its powerful antibacterial properties. Research has revealed that oil components that are derived from savory have powerful antimicrobial properties against a variety of harmful bacteria, such as E. coli and Salmonella. This makes savory an essential ingredient in every meal and are a great addition to. It not only improves the taste, but also assists in reducing the chance of getting foodborne illness. Rich in antioxidants. Savory is a great source of antioxidants, which help to protect your body from the harmful negative effects caused by free radicals. They are unstable substances which can trigger an increase in oxidative stress, which can lead to numerous chronic illnesses like cardiovascular disease as well as certain cancer types. The antioxidants in sweets help to neutralize destructive free radicals and promote general health and well-being. A natural source of minerals. Alongside its antioxidants in addition, it is an excellent source of vital minerals. It is a rich source of minerals such as magnesium, calcium, iron, and potassium. All of these are essential to maintaining healthy health. Calcium is vital for healthy teeth and bones, iron is essential to produce red blood cells, and magnesium is essential for the function of muscles, as well as potassium assists in regulating blood pressure. Incorporating savory foods into your diet can be a tasty method to increase the amount of minerals you consume in a natural way. Vitamins galore. A further benefit of savory is its remarkable vitamins quantity. It's particularly high in vitamin A, C, and K. Vitamin A is vital for good eyesight and an effective immune system. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that aids in immune function as well as collagen production. Vitamin K is essential to prevent blood clotting as well as bone health. Incorporating savory foods in your diet, it is possible to take advantage of these vital vitamins as well as contribute to the nutritional requirements of your day. Culinary uses. Savory can be extremely versatile when it comes to food preparation. It adds flavor and depth to many recipes. It is a great match for many different ingredients like meats, vegetables, and legumes. It is a staple in Mediterranean food. Savory is often used to flavor dishes such as stews, soups, as well as roasted meats. Also, it is a popular ingredient in blends of herbs such as herbes de Provence and can be added to salads or pizzas to add a bit of taste. Additionally, it can be utilized as a flavoring in marinades and sauces made from scratch and imparting a wonderful flavor and aroma to the dish. Conclusion. Savory is a truly remarkable plant that provides many health benefits as well as enhancing the flavor of many recipes. It can aid digestion and is an excellent source of vital nutrients and vitamins. Savory is a deservedly prominent ingredient within the realm of gourmet delights. When you incorporate savory in your daily diet, you will not just enjoy its distinctive taste, but also reap the benefits of its amazing health-promoting qualities. Why not discover the wonders of savory food and improve your food to an entirely new level of nutrition and deliciousness?